Hello YouTube, welcome back to MOA Digital. Today we are continuing to talk about Magento. If we install a normal Magento package, it's going to be without any data, just like this, with the home page, nothing else. And then we are going to install, based on this installation, we are going to install a Magento that with the sample data, just like a full strong website. Yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. First, let's clone the project into our working folder. Let's name it Magento Demo. And we're going to take a look at the content. I think we only have Docker Compose XML file. So basically there are two services, DB and Magento. It's using Alex Chan Magento latest version, 8002 port. We're going to replace the Magento 002 as Magento Demo, so you won't get confused with other databases, just in case. So we'll replace all, and we're going to save it. So we're going to use, so make sure before you run that command, make sure you log in to Docker desktop. And then you run Docker Compose up-d. That will create the images. Now we're done. Simply as that. If Docker hasn't downloaded any images, it will pull MySQL images, and it will also pull Magento image. But in this case, already pulled down, so it will start creating those containers. And now let's get to the 8002 port. You can see it's ready for you to install. You just follow the prompt. Next, make sure DB server host DB. Root password is root. As you can, let's take a quick look. Let's map them together. You see DB host is DB database host. Root password is root. Database name, we change it to Magento Demo. Click next. And then just next. I have a video that show you how to change admin URL. You can look at that if you are interested. Here we put in admin user, password, install. It will take some minutes. I'll be back when it's done. Alright, it's done. We take a look at the website. We'll also open up the admin link, see what happened. So again, the website by default has nothing. It's basic template. It's using Luma theme. We'll talk about that later. If anyone interested, let me know. Okay, and we'll go to admin side login as admin. We'll simply go over. Again, there's nothing. Obviously, you have menus, products, categories, but there's no product setup yet because there's no data in there. Right, so this is what we have for from a basic installation of Magento. And now we are going to install Magento with sample data. Basically, it's the same process. I'm not going to use the same existing the one that we just created. I'm going to create the new one, so the process is going to be same. If you want to use the existing one, you can too. You can just remove the database, but I don't want to go through that. I just want a fresh installation. Okay, and again, we can go through the same process here quickly. I already removed the Docker container we just created, so we'll have a fresh containers here. So we run the Docker compose up, and we are going to create a two fresh new container. And the next step, I think we should be transferring the Magento installation file with the sample data. It's a bundle package. Right, so this is the old one, and we're not going to touch that. So for the next step, we are going to do, let's check the container, and then we are going to transfer the sample data bundle package over into the container. Docker, I think the command is docker cp. Let me see. And then existing zip files is in the download directory, and then we're going to put in container ID here, which is fa1c69b, and then we're gonna put into var .dot folder, which is where Magento was installed in this situation, in this image. It shouldn't take long. Okay, now it's done. We are going into the container. Going in with the bash command. So once you're in and check it out, you can see the HTML folder is what the existing Magento installation, the empty one. So let me see, maybe I should remove the existing one. Alright, yep. And then after we remove them, we're gonna unzip the HTML folder, because the old one already removed. Again, this package, this bundle, include Magento installation and the sample data. Okay, it's done. Let's take a look at the content. Okay, now we have to set up the folder permission. We have to update some of the folder's permissions. First of all, the first one should be whole folder should be 755, and then it should be 777 for app/etc, and then next one would be var folder, or let me see which one. Your var folder first. The next one would be pub folder. Last one would be generated folder. I think this should be it. I think we're ready to go. And the steps are all the same. We are going to be hit by an error. I'm going to show you how we see the error and then how to fix it. Everything's in the same process. So right here, we are being hit by the encryption encryptor error. So that is basically what it means is the libsodium library is not installed, or is not the latest version that compatible with PHP 7.2 and the Magento data package. So let's go ahead and update the image. Let's check. Let's double check the libsodium first. I think the current version should be 1.0.8. I think we need at least 1.0.13 to work with the PHP 7.2 and Magento. So let's get apt-get install build essential. Let's do the apt-get update first. Yeah, let's do that first. Just make sure everything is up to date. Okay, now we are going to install the build essential. Now it's done. Next one, let's do the, let's see. Before we move on, we have to install the Git. So let's install Git. Okay, when that's done, let's get the libsodium, the latest libsodium. Excuse me. TTPS JDISCL1 / libsodium.git and cd libsodium and configure and make check last and make install. This will download and compile the libsodium. Now it's done. Let's double check the libsodium version. So it's still 1.0.8, so there's one more step we have to do. We're actually right now installing libsodium onto the system. Okay, it's done, and let's double check again. It should be 1.0.13. Okay, and now I think everything's done. We should be able to fix the error and continue the installation. Go back to the website again, follow the same step again because we didn't finish. Just checking, showing you all the extension checks and the PHP setting checking, folder permission, everything looks fine. Again, same information here. Again, filling up the same information. Next. You see the error is gone. We are ready to actually install. And then I'm not gonna bother you with the full length of installation. I'm gonna shorten the length. Usually takes several minutes. But at this point, we showcase you how to transfer the Magento sample data package, and then we were hit by an error. We show you how to fix the error by installing the libsodium package, and then the rest is just the regular installation process. And it should be okay now. Okay, success. And then we go back to the website. Let's check out sample data. first time is taking some time to load. Yep, there you go. Is so the websites already have a full-blown website. It's preloaded with all the data. So as a developer, you can go in and, let's say, add a product, add a products, practicing a category, how to add a module, how to modify the theme, how to update the tables, and so on and so forth. So I think it's a good sample data you can practicing with. I think that's all for this video. Hopefully you find it helpful. If you ever run into a same error, then you have a solution. Okay, if you like the video, click the like button. If you have a question, leave a comment. Until next time, happy coding. Bye.